Bonjour! Is your skin looking tired with fine lines and even age spots? Well, in this video today I'm going to show you a French skincare product that I have used and that has rejuvenated and smoothed my skin on the first application. Please stay tuned! If you're new to my channel, a big welcome to you, and please click subscribe and do not forget to click on that little bell in order to receive my notifications. Thank you. So if you have been looking into the mirror and seeing fine lines, age spot, and your skin is looking a bit tired, not its best, then I'm going to show you the product that I have used from a French brand very well known, from Darphin. So of course French skincare is reputed to be very good and using natural ingredients. The Darphin brand was created by a master botanist, formulator and kinesiotherapist Pierre Darphin. And the Darphin brand is inspired by French queens and French women who have used rare botanicals and essential oils to enhance their beauty. For instance, Marie Antoinette loved the brightening properties of orange blossom. And Darphin has created facial massage techniques that rejuvenate muscles and deepen the benefits to the skin. And the famous Institut Darphin is situated in Paris. And during Fashion Week, l'Institut Darphin is visited by celebrities and fashionistas for its rejuvenating treatments. So I am going to show you just one product that I have used, and this is this one. And this is Darphin Dermabrasion Anti-Age or Age-Defying Dermabrasion. So this Dermabrasion product from Darphin, they say that it lightens the skin, it refines the lines, it lightens up if you've got age spot, that kind of thing. So I've just used it, and I thought I'll just use it, maybe do use it a few times and and show you on video the effect. But I've just used it this morning for the first time, and the effect was so pronounced that I had to jump on the video to show you. Absolutely amazing. And they say only use it once a week, so to show you how potent it is. So I've got absolutely nothing else except I put my new moisturizer on from Vichy Novadiol on top. So this one is especially for menopausal skin. They have been making research for the past 14 years at Vichy for the skin of menopausal women. So they have come up with a special range. So I will do a video on that later on. But I have got nothing else on, and it has, I've got some lines here. They're really smoothed out. I had 3 big lines here as well. They're really smoothed out. I had a little age spot here. It's much lighter. My skin feels really smooth, absolutely amazing. Here, on the side here, seems like I've got so smooth. It's as if I've had Botox almost. Obviously, I don't know what it's like to have Botox. Never had it, but it is very, very smooth and natural. Everything is smooth. Even the little lines you have around the mouth have almost disappeared. I've also applied some on my lips, and they got much smoother as well. So when I am going to put my makeup on, I'll be able to tell you the effect. With wearing the lipstick, I'm sure it's going to look really good, and also it's going to be much easier to apply the lipstick. Some on the neck as well, and I have noticed my neck is much smoother. So overall, I was absolutely astonished for the first time I use it. Really, really good. All around the nose, everything is smooth. Wow, I am absolutely astonished. My skin looks a little bit lighter, it seems, as well, because I've got freckles, and they're much, they're much lighter. That's age spot, as I said, and here little wrinkles there, they're just almost gone. I am really amazed. So I wanted to tell you about this product because the first time I used it. So after the dermabrasion, your skin goes a little bit red, not that much red, but I could feel it as a little bit warmer, I had a bit of red around my neck and around the cheeks here, so it lasts probably 15-20 minutes. But they said on their website to use a mask afterwards, which I have not got, and the mask is called Masque Jeunesse Radiance au Camellia. So I will get that, and I will be able to tell you, the difference, because I've applied after a while, when it has calmed down a bit. I applied my new moisturizer from Vichy. This one is especially for menopausal skin, the Vadiol Compensating Complex. But I can see that I would have needed something really strong. So that mask I'm going to get is you keep it for 5 to 7 minutes, and really plumps of skin and places the moisture that Dermabrasion has removed. So I will get that. But even with that Vichy cream, it's smooth, absolutely so smooth. It's just, and it feels really very moisturized, even though I could have done with that mask. It is smooth, much more moisturized than the others moisturizer I had before. And I like to use different moisturizers to give a pep to the skin after a few weeks on the same moisturizer. You can see my skin with the lighter makeup. And in my previous video I was mentioning the NYX Real Prodigious Or, but today I did not use it. I used instead this new product from Caudalie, which is Teint Divin Crème Teintée Minérale. So it's a mineral tinted moisturizer from Caudalie. So I've used that with a little bit of my moisturizer. I always like to add a little bit of moisturizer for, if I use something tinted or CC cream or BB cream. That's just me, you don't have to do it. So it's quite light. I'm going to show you. And it's very light on the hand. So really it's like a illuminating veil all over the skin again. So the Dermabrasion I did this morning, I did with the Vichy Neo Vadiol, and this Teint Divin de Caudalie. I really love these three products, and this is the effect on my skin. I think I look rejuvenated. My skin is smooth, much smoother. You don't see many lines now. It's lighter, it seems lighter, and I think I look a little bit younger. What do you think? And also I had noticed, because I used the Dermabrasion on my lips, they are much smoother, and it was really much easier. I saw a distinct difference when I applied my lipstick. So I used a Guerlain primer, and I used a lip pencil and my lipstick, and it was much easier, to sliding a little bit easier on the lips. The lines on the lips were not as deep, so it was really much easier. And this is where I noticed that when you are younger, when you have a young skin, makeup, is so much easier to apply than when you have an older skin. I am 56 now, and I definitely have noticed that, for instance, on the eye, the skin is getting drier, so it kind of pulls, and you have fine little lines, and on the lips as well, things are changing. So, finding something like this Dermabrasion that makes a difference. So I think it makes it much easier for us older ladies. So I will put the links to these products below this video in case you are interested. So I will buy the mask to use after the Dermabrasion, and I will tell you about it. And if there is a French skincare product that you would like me to review, please let me know. So thank you very much for watching. À bientôt.